It is very nice to greet you again. In today's video we will talk about the following. Dwarfism in dogs. What you need to know. Short limbs and an unusually large head are signs of a medical condition called dwarfism in dogs. Dwarfism encompasses several conditions, and dogs with dwarfism may have impaired size, health, and development. These conditions are hereditary, meaning they can be passed down from parents to offspring through genes. In this case, only one parent needs to have the gene for their offspring to inherit dwarfism. What is dwarfism? Dwarfism is a medical condition that affects both people and dogs. A dog with dwarfism has abnormally short stature and disproportionate body proportions. Dwarfism is due to genetic mutations that affect the development of a dog's skeletal system, which are the bones that make up the body and protect its internal organs. There are two common forms of dwarfism. 1. Achondroplasia. The most common form of dwarfism in dogs is called achondroplasia. Achondroplasia is caused by a genetic mutation in the regulation of bone growth. This mutation prevents cartilage from hardening and forming bone, which normally occurs during fetal development. As a result, dogs are born with short or bowed limbs, or with an abnormally large head. 2. Pituitary dwarfism. Pituitary dwarfism occurs when the pituitary gland does not produce or secrete enough growth hormone. The pituitary gland produces hormones that regulate metabolism, growth, and reproduction. There are several causes of pituitary dwarfism in dogs, including genetic mutations. These mutations, if present, would affect a particular dog, not the entire breed. For example, you may have a litter of puppies and only one with this genetic mutation. Pituitary dwarfism can also occur due to damage to the pituitary gland during birth. Lack of oxygen can affect the gland's ability to produce growth hormone. Other causes of pituitary dwarfism include tumors, inflammatory diseases, and head trauma early in life, but these are quite rare. Although rare, cases of pituitary dwarfism have been reported in the following breeds: Weimaraner, Finnish Spitz, Miniature Pinscher, Karelian Beer Dog, Golden Retriever, Labrador Retriever, Rottweiler. What are the symptoms of dwarfism in dogs? A dog with pituitary dwarfism may be considerably smaller than the runt of the litter. Due to a hormone deficiency, it often presents with various health problems, such as adult teeth take longer to erupt, abnormal bite alignment and dental problems, thin, brittle coat with easily broken hairs, alopecia or bald spots, skin problems, susceptibility to infection, decreased muscle mass, hip dysplasia, luxating patella, eye problems, such as cataracts and retinal degeneration. These dogs are often infertile. Pituitary dwarfism is a fairly rare condition. How is dwarfism diagnosed in dogs? If a puppy is much smaller than its littermates, there are ways to confirm whether it has pituitary dwarfism. When X-raying these dogs, you would expect to find decreased cartilage hardening in their bones. Your veterinarian may perform tests to identify genetic mutations or a blood test to measure hormone levels. A dog with dwarfism will have lower levels of growth hormone compared to its littermates. Growth hormone supplementation is possible, but there is no commercial product for dogs. Human growth hormone is not an option because dogs develop antibodies to these supplements. The best option is porcine growth hormone, which is commercially available and appears to work in dogs. Your veterinarian will also test creatinine levels, which are often elevated in dogs with pituitary dwarfism. Creatinine is a normal waste product in the blood, and the test is performed in the urine and indicates proper kidney function. It's also helpful for the puppy to have littermates with whom the results can be compared. Another sign of pituitary dwarfism is hypothyroidism, which occurs when the thyroid gland doesn't produce enough hormones for the body to function properly. A dog's thyroid level can be measured, and medication can be given to treat hypothyroidism. It is a pleasure to inform you and help you. If you have not subscribed to the channel, you should do it now. Take care of yourself and your furry friend. A hug, and until the next video.